Imagine a night where every flicker of candlelight not only brightens the room but also ignites the senses, transforming an ordinary evening into an unforgettable romantic experience. Aromatherapy candles are the secret ingredient to creating that magic. Before we get into the enchanting world of aromatherapy candles, make sure you push that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on more ways to enhance your life with simple pleasures. The power of scent cannot be underestimated in the quest to set a romantic mood. It's not just about dimming the lights or playing soft music. It's also about how the room smells. This is where high-quality aromatherapy candles come into play. They are not just candles. They are an experience that can make or break your special night. Choosing the right aromatherapy candles is crucial because the wrong scent can be a turn-off, while the right one can be incredibly enticing. Remember, what might smell heavenly to you could be less appealing to someone else. Therefore, finding out which scents your partner adores is key to making the evening a success. Many people find vanilla candles to be especially appealing. Interestingly, some experts suggest that vanilla can act as an aphrodisiac for men. So, if your partner is a man, incorporating vanilla-scented candles might be a great choice. These candles can set a welcoming and enticing atmosphere right from the moment your partner walks through the door. Why is vanilla such a popular choice? It's a scent that's beloved by both men and women. It's rare for someone to dislike vanilla, and it's subtle enough not to overpower your senses or your appetite. In fact, having vanilla aromatherapy candles around can enhance the taste of your dinner and elevate the overall dining experience by creating a happy and relaxed mood. However, it's important not to overdo it. While placing aromatherapy candles around the home can enhance the ambiance, having too many can overwhelm the senses. It's best to have 1 or 2 aromatherapy candles per room to keep the scent delightful and not overpowering. Mixing them with unscented candles can help maintain a balanced aroma. When blending different scents, proceed with caution. Not all fragrances mix well. It's a good idea to test the combination of scents before your romantic evening to ensure they harmonize and enhance each other rather than clashing. Keep in mind, if you're planning to include candles on your dinner table, opt for unscented candles. Aromatherapy candles near food can interfere with the flavors of your meal. Instead, place them strategically in other parts of the room to create a sensual yet subtle backdrop. Lastly, remember candle safety, especially in the bedroom. Don't light candles too early, and never leave them unattended, particularly if pets are around, as they can accidentally knock them over, posing a fire risk. By following these simple guidelines and choosing your aromatherapy candles wisely, you can turn an ordinary evening into a memorable and romantic event that both you and your partner will cherish. Remember, the subtle flicker and gentle aroma of the right candle can enchant, delight, and transform any space into a haven of romance. If you liked this video, push the subscribe button to get more videos and leave a comment if you have a topic you would like to see. Thanks for watching.